Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In this video I'll be showing you how to create and run a VM on Proxmox. This works with any OS for the guest VM and on any type of host. So in this video I'll be using a Raspberry Pi. The first thing you need to do is go to the Proxmox web GUI. Then we need to download whatever ISO you want as the guest. Then either download it to your PC first or simply copy the URL and paste it into Proxmox. Okay, now that we have the ISO, we can go ahead and create the VM. So first click on the node you want and then click on the Create VM button. So in this first screen, we have the node, name, architecture and VM ID. This is just the priority of the VM, so this will boot last on startup because it has the highest ID number. So I'm just going to put in Debian test as the name, and in the Arch section for architecture you can just see all of the different architectures that you can possibly choose. We're going to go ahead and click next, and then we're going to select use CD/DVD disk image ISO and choose the ISO we want. And first remember to select the storage you want. So we can see all of these different ISOs that I have on my storage. So I have Pop! OS, Ubuntu, Tiny 11, which is just a super small version of Windows, so just de-bloated. Loads more of Ubuntu, a normal Windows ISO, but we're going to use Pop! OS. Then we're going to click next and choose the default graphic card and the default machine. And for BIOS, we're just going to select where we're going to store the QEMU UEFI. Then over here we're going to select the disk size as 32 gigabytes and go next. So here we're going to choose one socket, but you can change all of this. Then we are going to, after one socket, we need to put in 4 cores. You can change this. Then we have type host, which you can change to whatever you want, but we're just going to use that. Then you can go to memory and you can select however much memory you want your VM to use. I'm going to put 6 gigabytes here. Then we are going to go down in the advanced menu and just remember to check it down there by the back and next buttons. And for minimum memory, we are going to put 2 gigabytes. And then for share, which means that we can share it with other VMs and containers, I'm going to put 4 gigabytes. Then you click next for network and you just keep it default, and confirm, you can just click next. Then it creates the VM and just wait for that to finish. And then you can go into the shell. Okay, now that that's finished, we can click on our VM, and then we need to go up to the top right and choose console. But we first need to click start, obviously, and then we can go to the console. Just wait for it to start, and there we can see the little icon shows that it's running, and we can now finally click console. We're going to choose no VNC since it's just easier and default, and as you can see it won't let us go full screen because I don't even know why. Just wait for it to load. This might take a while. As you can see, we're having some technical issues here, so I'm just going to go ahead and reboot. And here we go into the OS, or just the setup. It did take about 15 minutes to load, but I think we're good. Thank you guys for watching. Goodbye.